أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed, climate smart Sunday greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in making SAMS Tesla 353 grams gold bars from Dore gold of Africa and bullion of Hong Kong and Switzerland to delight SAMS TQLMA Club members by providing it at LBMA minus 2% in GulFood Expo in Dubai from February 19th to 23rd. We have 1870 metric tons gold available in New York. And utilizing that gold, we can make 5 million 353 grams gold bars to delight 5 million lucky mothers of out of 2 billion mothers living on the face of the earth. So enroll in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction with 5,300 PGCs, $9,000 to get preschool to PhD education and gratis trip of Dubai to attend the GulFood Expo and purchase 353 grams gold bars for $24,000 and acquire golden visa and book your home in Dubai to assure a sustainable silent income. You can live in your home or enjoy the sustainable silent rental income from the 2 million AED home. So pass on this message to everyone and initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education in chemical engineering from the Institute of Engineering and Technology, a master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, with postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada. Started up Procter & Gamble in Pakistan and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, whereby MBA students converted to Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA with the objective of re-engineering the cancer-causing milk supply chain of Karachi. 10 million liters of milk is sold in Karachi, and today we are ready to build SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla-powered Saadah Towers in 1,000 university campuses and farms along China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. And we also have 553-acre site in Karachi to provide quality life to the livestock by feeding them with toxin-free feed, so they can provide us with toxin-free milk and meat and all other ingredients will be grown in our SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School to enable mothers to cook nutritious, delicious meals to serve to 8 billion residents from our 724 restaurant. And healthcare professionals will be able to provide, will be providing, quality healthcare services from our 724 health centers. And the health centers will be linked with Safi Hospital Mumbai, which we are building in all countries of our world in SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town. So welcome aboard, pass on this message to everyone, and let us meet in Dubai from February 19 to 23rd. My contact numbers are 923332283257 in Telegram. I'm available on WhatsApp via 92335377052. Enable you to schedule a session like this to solve your individual, family, business, and professional problems. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin barik wa sallim. Wa rahmatullahi kama sallaita wa sallam ta'ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Mr. Andy Kumana is representing our company in South Africa with the mission of transforming the continent of Africa into climate smart continent by building SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus towns in gold and diamond mines of Africa. So we are ready to delight 8 billion residents of our planet, enjoy inflation-free, climate-smart life in our SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla-powered and Saadah towers, and SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus towns, which we are building in 5 square miles area in ideally diplomatic enclave of the state of SCNRFP to provide benchmark incentives to SAMS TQLMA club businesses setting up their operations in our SAMS AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus towns. So all these good news is available to us, and let's make sure that the 2024 becomes a peaceful, productive year for 8 billion residents of our planet. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى ال سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على ابراهيم وعلى ال ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد واخر دعوانا ان الحمد لله رب العالمين.